home chef Andala and welcome to Luto Inato, a yoga or cooking edition. I'm here to share to you two Filipino recipes using the purple cauliflower that my friend here in Japan bought for me. And I'm very excited to try this because this is also my first time. So I will be showing you two recipes, Dinuldog using the cauliflower and Halaya. So I'm very excited of the outcome. Today, this demo is also my tribute to the celebration of International Day of Yoga, and I'm celebrating as everyone in Yoga Sugbu community in Cebu as they're having their 21-day virtual event from June 1 to 21st. So check out their virtual classes daily and hope you support them. When I started my yoga practice back in 2011, it has been part of my self-transformation. It's like a great teacher for me in every step of the way. It's more than just a lifestyle, but it's a way of life. And it somehow inspired me to be in this wellness outfit. And through my journey, it let me experience freedom from dissolving my ego and attachment. Some practitioners have enjoyed the physical benefits of yoga, but for me, it's more on inward growth and development. It's a kind of liberation experience from being physically and worldly conscious to having that resounding consciousness of myself as a physical and spiritual being. Eating is the foundation for nourishment of the mind and emotions. That being said, whatever that we put into our mouth, it affects how we feel and it affects how we think, and it affects the energy and vibration that you emit. So now we're going to do yoga of cooking. Cooking and eating are not so different from a yoga practice. The bottom line is that we always listen to our body's nourishment needs, and yoga is a process of becoming aware and listening to yourself. So that means tuning into what foods nourish you best and which ethical choices reflect your conscience. In this demo, I'm making purple dinuldog. It's a classic coconut creamy soup traditionally made with kalabasa or squash, and half of this cauliflower will be used for halaya. Yes, we will be making halaya, Filipino dessert, using this amazingly purple vegetable as a substitute for ube. So one of the principles of yoga is mindfulness. Being mindful in cooking is preparing the ingredients, also called mise en place, making sure everything that you need is ready. Next is when you're cooking and preparing food, whether for yourself or for your family, set a positive mood, because your mood affects the vibration of the food that you're going to prepare, and that vibration affects the taste and the body's absorption of the nutrients. Also, cooking doesn't have to be a rushed experience because there's a tendency that you burn it or it will come out too salty or too strong. So just like yoga on a mat, we practice yoga mindfully and we follow the flow gently to avoid injuries. Cooking is also a meditative practice. In fact, of all the tasks that we do in our daily lives, cooking offers a wonderful opportunity for us to train the mind to be present. So let's prepare this cauliflower for our first dish, dinuldog. Instead of squash, we're using cauliflower and some potatoes. So we are removing the stems. If you ask me if this can be eaten, yes, very much, but I'm not going to cook the stems, but instead I will ferment them. I do have collections of fermented vegetables which I call vegetable pickles as my probiotic food and as my appetizer. So beautiful. So I'm gonna cut this into half. Okay. So this one is for the halaya, and this one is for the other half is for the dinuldog. So we'll wait until this becomes soft and then we will blend them. So while waiting for our potatoes to be tender and soft, here are the cauliflower stems. These are very edible and I'm going to wash them properly and I will make vegetable pickles with this one. Check out my video on how to make vegetables in a jar in Luto Inato YouTube channel, and this is very easy to make and great as appetizer, and you can have it spicy like kimchi or just sweet and sour. So now this is done because this is they're already soft. coconut cream for there's Halaya, cornstarch, and the purple cauliflower, and sugar. Welcome to Luto, Inato. We created this channel for a cause to promote Filipino historical food culture and old-fashioned food traditions. We are advocates of Cebu food revolution to promote food as medicine, slow food movement to promote heritage food, and communities for alternative food ecosystems initiatives for health and sustainability. We are home chefs and we cook to make a difference.
So thank you everyone for watching, and if you like our demo, please subscribe to our channel and share it to your friends. We make our videos fun and informative for everyone. Let us hear your feedback. Just comment below. See you next time!